Public cloud like AWS have matured a lot. They have hundreds of services and each service has hundreds of processes and methods. It's really hard to learn and then memorize all of them. AWS has recently released a tool called SQ, which is quite handy when it comes to manage and automating lot of AWS stuff. This tool, which you can see on your screen, Hey Cloud, does somewhat similar stuff. With the help of this Hey Cloud, you can simply use it as a cloud assistant to help and manage cloud stacks via just human natural language. The first thing you need to do in order to get started with it is to sign up with your email account and then create a project, and then you can simply connect your AWS account and then start talking with this Hey Cloud, and it is going to build the stack for you. One of the thing which is off-putting with this code is that you, as you can see in this screen, that when you create a project you need to provide it your access key ID and secret access key. So that is a big no-no for me when it comes to cloud security, because I'm not going to share any admin level access in order to create the project. And of course, if you're automating the cloud with a tool like this, you have to give it quite broad privileges. So let's see if they offer any other way, like any AWS role to assume or something, or maybe external ID or something like that. So when I signed up, I am presented with this screen in Hey Cloud, and it is asking me to add the project. Now, after logging in, this screen is quite bland. Really, I mean, the interface really needs much improvement. Anyway, so click on Add Project, and now it is asking me, okay. So you can see that it is saying project name. So I could give any project name here. Let me give it a name. So I have given it a project name here, and then these are the AWS regions which you can select. And let me see. Okay, so all Australian region is there anyway. And then, so this is a big no-no. I don't want to key in access key ID and secret access key to any third party. So there is no option for role here. So what exactly is my own server? So if I click here, so it again some sort of server, maybe a public server, a jump host or something like that. Again, it is connecting via SSH and private key. So public private key, SSH key, you need to put it in here and then test it out. Again, I don't think so this is a good way of doing this stuff when we can do these things in a lot safer way. So anyway, I'm not going to use it here. So I think they can improve their authentication and authorization with the cloud. Now they have this screenshot on their website. If you look at it, what is happening here is once you create the project, and there are a lot of projects they have created on the left hand side. And so for example, in this one more cluster, then you, when you go to one more cluster, we are they're talking like name it cluster London, and then it has given some of the ekctl command, which is it seems like the Kubernetes cluster and the EKS service, the Elastic Kubernetes service by AWS. And then they are deleting the cluster, naming it cluster. So for example, when we just say name it cluster London, we cannot rename it. We have to first delete it and then recreate it. That is what it is saying here. And then on the very right hand side in the shell command, it has given us the command, and I'm not sure if it has given us the command or it is running it automatically. Maybe I'm not sure. So, and also this looks like the Cloud Shell in AWS. Anyway, so I think it is okay tool. Could be improved a lot, and I would really like to see how it compares with Amazon Q, which is a recently Gen AI cloud assistant which you can natively access within your cloud or AWS account, and it is quite secure too. It has already all the visibility and stuff. Now, I'm sure there is also some pricing here. So if we click on upgrade plan, so basic plan is simply we need to use our OpenAI API key. So it means that we would have to pay OpenAI $20 per month in order to use it. And then we need to link our AWS account, which I already have shared you. Shared runtime environment with limited privileges and only 2 projects and 10 prompts. Okay, that could, for cloud automation, that could be not feasible at all. And here we have managed API key and stuff. And again, unlimited projects, customer services here too. And then we have $29 or $30 per month, which is priority customer service. Anyway, so this is a tool, guys. I would leave the judgment to you, but I think maybe still very early days and they're improving it. So let's see how they evolve with it, and then we will go from there. Seems like it is still in beta, as it says here. So let's not make any final judgment. Let's wait for it to evolve more, and then we will check it out again. That's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any thoughts or comments, let me know. And if you know of any other similar tool, please paste it in the comment and I will happily review it. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you are already subscribed, please share it among your network. Thank you very much.